Section 2 of Birds, Volume 2, Number 5, November 1897. Recorded for LibriVox.org by Larry Wilson. The Summer Tanager. The tanagers are birds of such uncommon beauty that when we have taken the pictures of the entire family, the group will be a notable one and will add attractiveness to the portfolio. This specimen is also called the summer redbird or rose tanager, and is found pretty generally distributed over the United States during the summer months, wintering in Cuba, Central America, and northern South America. As will be seen, the adult male is a plain vermilion red. The plumage of the female is less attractive. In habits, this species resembles the scarlet tanager, perhaps the most brilliant of the group, but is not so retiring, frequenting open groves and often visiting towns and cities. The nesting season of this charming bird extends to the latter part of July, but varies with the latitude and season. Bark strips and leaves interwoven with various vegetable substances compose the nest, which is usually built on a horizontal or drooping branch, near its extremity, and situated at the edge of a grove near the roadside. Davy says, "All the nests of this species which I have seen collected in Ohio are very thin and frail structures, so thin that the eggs may often be seen from beneath. A nest sent me from Lee County, Texas, is compactly built of a cottony weed, a few stems of Spanish moss, and lined with fine grass stems." Mr. L. O. Pindar states that nests found in Kentucky are compactly built, but not very thickly lined. The eggs are beautiful, being a bright light emerald green, spotted, dotted, and blotched with various shades of lilac, brownish purple, and dark brown. Chapman says the summer tanager may be easily identified, not alone by its color, but by its unique call note, a clearly enunciated chicky-tucky-tuck. Its song bears a general resemblance to that of the scarlet, but to some ears is much sweeter, better sustained, and more musical. It equals in strength, according to one authority, that of the robin, but is uttered more hurriedly, is more wiry, and much more continued. The summer tanager is to a greater or lesser extent known to farmers as the red bee bird. Its food consists largely of hornets, wasps, and bees. The male of this species requires several years to attain the full plumage. Immature individuals, it is said, show a mixture of red and yellow in relative proportions according to age. The female has more red than the male, but the tint is peculiar, a dull Chinese orange instead of a pure rosy vermilion as in the male. An interesting study for many of our readers during the summer months, when the tanagers are gay in their full plumage, would be to seek out, with birds in hand, the most attractive denizens of the groves, identifying and observing them in their haunts until the entire group, of which 5 species are represented in the United States, is made familiar. When we remember that there are about 380 known species of tanagers in tropical America, it would seem a light task to acquaint oneself with the small family at home. End of Section 2. This recording is in the public domain.